Hey guys, today we're going to be making these really cute mini frogs. I made this pattern a few days ago and I'm obsessed with it. So I made like a lot of them in different colors and stuff to show, but I made a little green one and then I made a bigger like teal one and then finally a pink one because I just love pink. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to start off with materials, you're going to need a 6mm hook. Then you're going to need some scissors, some black yarn or thread works too. And then you'll also need some black safety eyes. I used 7mm, but you can use whatever size you want because it kind of depends on what size of yarn you're using. And lastly, you'll need some fluff. Okay, now let's start crocheting. So the first thing you're gonna do is make a magic ring. And once you've done that, you're going to start by crocheting 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Now moving on to round 2, you're going to do an increase in every single stitch. So that'll be 12 stitches in all and 6 increases. Alright, now you should have something that looks like this. You're going to start off round 3 with 1 single crochet and increase, another single crochet, another increase, and then you're going to do something different. You're going to do a bobble stitch. Then you're going to do an increase, one single crochet, another increase, and another bobble stitch. And to finish the round, you're going to do one more increase, and one single crochet, and another increase. Alright, now for rounds 4 through 6, you're just going to do single crochets in every stitch. So that'll be 18 single crochets in each round total. Up round 6, it should look a little bit like this. And so next you're going to be inserting the safety eyes into the bobble stitches at the top. And so you're going to put both of them right in the front, like this. And I'm using 7mm safety eyes, but again, you can use whatever size you want depending on what size of yarn you're using. Okay, so now your frog should look a little bit like this. And now you're going to get out your black yarn or thread and cut a small piece because it's just going to be used for the mouth, so it doesn't have to be that long. And now you're going to sew on the mouth. And so you're going to insert your hook through the inside and poke it through and just wrap it around the black yarn and pull it through. And then insert it on the other side and do the same thing, just wrap it around and pull it through. So now you're going to flip it inside out and tie the two ends together on the inside. Alright, now we're going back to crocheting. So for round 7, you're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then repeat that 6 times. Alright, once you've finished round 7, it should look like this, and now you're going to get your cotton out and start stuffing it. Alright, so once you've finished stuffing, you're going to continue with round 8. And in this round, you're going to do 6 decreases. Once you've finished that round, you're going to finish stuffing it. Once you've finished stuffing, you're going to start round 8, and this is the last round. So for round 8, you're going to be doing 6 decreases. And now you're going to do 1 slip stitch and cut the yarn, and leave a long tail for sewing. And now your frog is finished! I really enjoyed making this pattern. I hope you guys enjoyed following along and making your frog. I made a lot of different colors, including 3 small green ones, 2 teal ones, 1 dark green one, and then 1 pink one. And they're all so cute. I'm gonna keep making more and probably take a bunch of them to my craft fairs over the summer. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for more patterns and content. Also, be sure to like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!